So on my birthday, I decided to celebrate the people I normally celebrate because everybody has their own choice of who they want to celebrate with. Normally, not just on birthdays, I like going out to give people whatever I have. I've gone to places where I share about 7 Ghana must goes of clothes. People brought clothes and I was sharing, and I also gave out money. I've gone to different places. And recently I noticed that I posted a video, and somebody was telling me why not go to the orphanage. That would pain me. That would pain me well. Because it seems like some of you feel like the only people that need help are the people in the orphanage. In the orphanage, let me tell you, I feel like the orphanage is already having a lot compared to some other persons in the street. The orphanage, the people in the orphanage, they even have a place to stay. They even have people coming to provide food for them. When you go to the street, there are some places in the street you have not entered that you see people that are sleeping on the ground, people that are sleeping on the road, people that are sleeping by the side of people's shade, like people's store. That's what I am calling shade. People's store. In the morning they wake up and they start looking for who will give them something to eat. So all of you feel like the best place to go all the time is orphanage. No, I don't feel that way. I have suffered a lot in this life where I was not in the orphanage. Nobody attended to me. So I just prefer going to the market where I see women that are taking their time to hustle, young girls that are hustling for their money. I prefer giving out there, or I prefer giving keke drivers that are hustling, or I go to some other places where I feel like people really needs to eat. I'm not saying the orphanage is bad, but please don't feel like everybody has to visit the orphanage. Like one of my friends said on the comment box, orphanage, they cash out.